So one of my favorite features of ChatGPT is the ability to create custom GPTs. What are custom GPTs? Well, if you ever have a chat and it's just priceless, like you have a perfect style guide, you have a perfect vibe, you have a perfect everything, and you want to be able to share that with a teammate or somebody who is creating content for you off your team so that they can keep the same brand, voice, tone, stuff like that. You can create a custom GPT. You can create a shareable link that they will be able to access, whether they're on your team or not. And you can actually basically create repeatable versions of whatever you want to do. So for example, in this video, I'm going to be creating a standardized blog post format for a financial analyst site that I'm working on. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I know it sounds pretty dorky, but I think you'll be amazed at how wonderful and easy it is. Anybody can do this. You don't need any experience with ChatGPT whatsoever. All you need to do is be able to go to the ChatGPT website, chatgpt.com, and sign up for a Teams account. This feature is only available with Teams accounts. So yeah, enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you want me to add anything to this video. I'm pretty new to YouTube, always looking for feedback. Hope you enjoy. This is the homepage of ChatGPT, as you can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a style guide that I have had ChatGPT write based on an existing blog post that I have done. I copied and pasted the blog post in and I said, can you please give me a style guide based on this existing structure? And then I further asked it to refine that. So now what we're going to do, this is the ChatGPT app. We're going to go into the website. You cannot do this from the ChatGPT app. And so we will go over here. I have the business account, and I believe that you need to have the business account in order, or the Teams account, in order to create custom GPTs. And the good news about business accounts is that if you have a business account, the ChatGPT does not use your information to train the AI. So keep that in mind. And also always keep in mind that ChatGPT, if you are not asking it to evaluate existing things, or sometimes even if you are, it can make mistakes. So you should always double check your work. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to see, here's the homepage of ChatGPT. You can see all my other custom GPTs that I made over here, but you can click Explore GPTs, click Create over here in the right corner, and it's going to be really friendly over here, as it often is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to paste it in here. There we go. And let's see what it thinks about this. A lot of times we can just throw the spaghetti at the wall and see if it understands. So it'll take a moment to update the GPT. It's going to create a profile picture, which is cute, but not necessary. All right. And I think that's it. It keeps giving me an error. Oh, the ChatGPT name is too long. Great. All right. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to test this. We're going to say, actually, I've got a bunch of files, upload from computer. Here we go. Shopify 2023 annual report. And I've got all of these. Shopify Q3 press release. I'm not sure if it will read these PDFs. It looks like it's uploading them. So let's see if it works. Wow. Okay. So what I see here is that it really needs more historical context, and we need more key ratios and financial metrics. What we're going to do is we're going to refine this. A lot of working with ChatGPT is just refining the things that you look at. Going to revise the GPT based on my feedback. This is amazing. Okay, great. I want to see if this works. I love it. Awesome. I think we built our GPT. So what we want to do here is we create it, and I have invite only. And so I'm going to update it. And now it's going to show up in my custom GPTs. I can do this, click View GPT, And now you can see that it is a FOBF analysis blog post. And then I can go over here. And if I want to refer to it, I can click at FO and it will bring up the GPT that I want. I'm not sure if it can even mine the information for the companies that I want to look at. Let me see if I can do that. I was looking up the companies that I wanted to look at. Here's Apple. Okay, great. Key financial ratios. This is awesome. Let's look at the sources over here. Does look like this is based on their actual annual report, so that's good. Okay, let me see if I can ask him to do even more robust. How's this coming along? This is looking awesome. Holy shit. I fucking love it. I'll show you the magic of the Notebook LM in a separate video.